Omukasheshekera izooba Shahina chairman w'ekibiina kya NRM omulundi ogu oli omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yahika ofisi z'akakiiko k'ebyokuronda omu Lweza okubaasa kuhamizibwa okwesimbaho nk'orukukwatira ekibiina kya NRM ebendera omu karoora akarikwija ak'omwaka 2026. Omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yabashagatirwe omukazi we Mama Janet Kataha Museveni kandi yayakirwa abahagizi b'ekibiina ahabw'okubebembera ekisanja kya mushanju. Omu kugamba kwe Museveni yayebaza abanyakibiina ahabw'okumwikiriza bakamuteekamu obwesigye okugaruka kwebembera hamwe n'okubakwatira ebendera.
We the NRM people need to ensure that all our population layers get involved. This is where we have some challenges. And this is where we need to address what I always call the mass issues, the issues of the masses. Number one, everybody to be involved in the money economy with the Kibaro. That's number one.
Oguyayongera yashaba by'amagara okugambira abantu ebintu ebihanga rishikireho okwiho movement ejo mu bwebembezi.
The immunization is doing very well, but the curative side sometimes has problems. Ensure that the drugs are there, are not stolen.
Na bwanyuma aharishaha mukaga Joseph Mabirizi ow'ekibiina kya Conservative Party yija kuhamibwa konka kubaza kushwijima ebipapura bye bashanga hine ebyaba nibiburaho nikwo kumushaba agarukye yabirete.
In my first days, the 100 days, I will make sure that all political prisoners come out of the prison. I have so many people with cases which cannot be even taken to the courts of law.
Aharishaha mwenda Robert Kasibante owa National Peasants Party nawe yahamibwa kandi yagambaho n'abanyamahuri ahari ebyo ebyarukwenda kukora.
The peasants of our nation, you have been forgotten. You have fed up this country. You have raised its leaders. You have protected its culture and its soul. Yet we remain without prosper. Roads, decent health care, quality education.
Ahari mwenda n'ekicweka Joseph Mabirizi yagaruka kandi yahaye ebipapura nikwo kuhamibwa.
I, Justice Byalokama Mugenyi Simon, being the returning officer for the nomination presidential candidate, declare Mabirizi Joseph as the duly nominated candidate in respect of the presidential elections 2026, he having fulfilled the nomination requirements under the Presidential Elections Act, Chapter 179.
Atyo niko kugira ngo government ye yaba yasindira karuru nekwerebeka ngo yabe ya buri omwe.
Ugandans have suffered a lot because of bad leadership. This is a part of Africa, and this is a time to restore the power of Africa.
Izobe lyanyenkyakare akakiiko k'ebyobururu nikaza kuhandika abandi abeesimbireho abarimu w'ekibiina kya FDC Nathan Nandala Mafabi hamwe na Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu owa NUP. Gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano hamwe na Adolf Ayoreka aha Tayari West.